big worm eating chunks of potato. This thing's doubled in size in 3 days. It doubled, and it has doubled. When we got this thing, it was half the current size. Like fully stretched out, he was like that long. Now this thing's bigger than this, and all you do is give it to potatoes. Yeah. Come on, Bubba. With your big grippy ass legs. Grippy ass legs. Come on, dude. Let go of the legs. Let go. Let go. No, we're not grabbing on here, guy.
You just hold in there. He'll yank it off.
Yeah, but I don't want him to get the plastic.
Squirt all
Thank
over
you. Hi, guy. I was like, what the fuck is that? Oh? You're good.
He's so yummy in his tummy.
He eats good.